Let's talk about budgeting. Op. Wag mo munang scroll, hulaan ko yung nasa isip mo. Maybe inisip mo nung narinig mo yung budgeting is puro lang naman to tungkol sa pagtitipid. O maybe inisip mo puro lang naman to math, puro computations. Kung ganyan, nagkakamali ka na kagad. Kasi budgeting is really just designing the life that you want, the life that you love. And basically, allocation to kung saan tama mong ilalagay yung pera mo once na matanggap mo yung income mo. Maybe galing yan sa business or sa sahod. In the next days, gagawa ko ng series of video talking about budgeting. Una, pag-usapan natin ano ba talaga yung budgeting and paano to ginagawa, such as getting your financial dreams come true and achieving yung gusto nating lahat na financial freedom. Pag-uusapan natin how you can assess your current financial situation or your current ground and then plotting your course with a budget na para siyang GPS sa finances mo so that you can navigate even ups and downs through your goals. And lastly, matututunan mo dito bakit ba ito importante. From buying your dream home to travel the world, kasi a smart budget is your road to wealth and peace of mind minus yung stress. So follow me and stay tuned sa mga budgeting contents ko.